Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford E-150 2016 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford E-150 2016 to 2019 houses fuses that protect key interior electrical components such as the instrument panel, power windows, and audio systems. It includes both mini and micro fuses along with relays for efficient circuit control. Each fuse is color-coded and labeled for easy identification and troubleshooting. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford E-150 2016 and 2017 protects major powertrain and high current systems such as the fuel pump, cooling fan, ignition coils, and ABS. It contains a mix of high amperage fuses, relays, and circuit breakers. The layout is designed for efficient distribution of power to critical underhood components. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford E-150 2018 and 2019 supports essential systems like the powertrain control module, starter motor, electric fan, and lighting. It includes high current fuses, mini fuses, and relays for optimal circuit protection and power management. The configuration ensures reliable operation of critical engine and drivetrain functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.